If you find yourself with a camera in your hand and want to learn how to use it, please subscribe to this channel, like the videos, comment below.
Hi Photos photographers. Today I'm talking about trampolines as a use to create your own background. We've talked about backgrounds before as wherever your subjects are standing, going out, and then even creating its own backdrop behind. It would be an environmental or natural sweep. But if you have a trampoline raised up high enough, is large enough to be able to allow your subject to jump up into the air, then you've got the sky as a background, you've got the tops of trees. I've seen a lot of social media videos recently where the photographers or videographers have somebody in the field and they have them standing on something, they just jump. Maybe even being able to jump above whatever crop is in the field or the grass that they're in at that moment, so that it looks like they're jumping above the world, quote unquote, especially with how they video or photograph that jump. But that's just the person's ability to jump up that high. Maybe you're photographing young children that don't have that high a vertical. That's fine, but the kids are gonna love jumping on a trampoline, and you're gonna be able to get that excitement and that elation on their face, the emotion of being able to jump and feeling that amazing weightlessness. As they go up in the air, there's a little bit of an increase of gravity, but then there's that change of, whoa, I reached that pinnacle and now I'm coming back down. Besides being able to take a photograph up toward them with the sky in the background or the tops of trees, and it's going to create a look that so many children like the idea of, that they've grown so tall they're even taller than the trees. So just a couple ideas. We have a trampoline, and I'll give you some ideas in a little bit of a demonstration as to how things can appear, or the look and the elation, the feel, the fun of it.